Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this. I started thinking in that other video I made, and if you didn't watch the first one, you might want to watch it. I stated that I was going to contour at point 1. Well, I didn't imply that you have to stay there. You can use any number you want. The only thing wrong with bigger, let's go 0.35, you've got a lot bigger outline, but your letters are going to be touching. So if you're going to do it bigger than that, while it is still a text, go up to Object and Control K. And then you can move these letters around and get them further apart and actually hit B or T to put them back in a line. And then you can grab them and contour them individually, that bigger amount, and they won't be touching or cut out each other. And just like before, we need to break the contours apart so we can grab them all, go up to Object and break the 6 objects apart. And now I'm going to see how big these are because I keep playing with it. They're huge now. It's almost 10 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor to 10 inches. And I'm going to grab that contour. I'm going to nudge it down. I'm going to grab that contour and grab it down. And I'm going to grab that contour and grab it down. And then I am going to control, or no, I'm not Control D. I'm just going to hit the plus sign on my keyboard and nudge it back up. Take this one, double click on it and turn it into a red hairline. I don't know about vinyl cutting, but red and laser engraving is cutting. So, and here's another thing we might do. You know, a while ago when I made the other video, I got rid of the outlines. Well, what if we nudged the outlines up, or the letters up when we hit them? Because that way there's no outline for sure. We're leaving the outlines behind. Let's just change this now to red. And we're going to have to fill that in with red and nudge it up, red and nudge it up. And on this one, we have to do the inside. Now, there are no lines, no way that could cut because there's none lines. You know, we did this a while ago, but you never know. Now we can nudge this back up twice. I'm going to make that hairline yellow so we can see it. And there's that hairline that's going to cut it out. So this is just a bunch of fill when it prints. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.